Have you ever wondered what the palaces in the third world look like? I'm going to react to 𝗏𝗏𝗏's mansion tour of the biggest, most expensive house in Pakistan. I'm 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗏. I'm the how to buy a mansion guy. I critique mansions. I've done it over 1,000 mansions. Let's do this one together.
Oh my god! Welcome to the Pakistani palace. This is the biggest house in Pakistan. Wow!
This is next level luxury.
This is gorgeous.
This guy is the real estate agent. I swear to God, if I was walking in Karachi or Islamabad and I would see him, I'll be like, he's a real estate agent for sure. He's like the 𝗕𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗏 of Pakistan.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we're here in Pakistan checking out one of the most expensive mansions in the country. This palace costs 1.25 billion rupees and it
Guys, for your information, that's only like $4.8 million. Right off the bat, doesn't seem like such a bad deal. I mean, it's a massive, probably 3-acre property. I mean, 4.8 million, just the land. I mean, it's pretty cheap.
So over here you can see we have the entrance, guys, and look how high the ceiling is. This is absolutely magnificent, guys. Now the pillars on this house make it look that much more gorgeous.
Okay, so these pillars are really thin for the scale. The scale of the palace is magnificent. I mean, it's huge. Really, really, really super high ceiling. Definitely palace level. But these pillars look so tiny. It's not the right proportions.
But now it's time to take you inside the palace so we can check it out. Wow.
Hello, Mo. Are you ready to see the palace?
Here's Freddy.
Guys, we are inside a palace. Oh my God.
This is just not any other ordinary house. This palace has more than 100 chandeliers.
Wow.
This grand living area can accommodate more than 50 guests.
More than 50 guests? You can fit 10,000 people in here. What is he talking about? How big are people in Pakistan? 50, it's huge. And look at this scale, though. I mean, forget about the finishes, okay? We're going to talk about the finishes. The actual scale of this living room or great room is very impressive. With the wraparound balcony, it definitely has the wow factor. I mean, even if you don't like the finishes, you walk in, you're like, okay, holy crap. The outside, the inside matches the outside.
At one time.
This living room alone is almost 10,000 square feet. Okay, now just to make this house even cooler, guys, they have brands everywhere. Like this 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏.
This is 𝗧𝗵𝗶. I mean, come on. Like, you go classic, neoclassical European style. You're trying to imitate, obviously, because it kind of looks like Taj Mahal at the same time. And then you throw a Louis Vuitton like rug under it. Very traditional coffee table. It's just so 𝗧𝗵𝗏𝗏.
Vuitton carpet that has been put inside the living room, guys.
Wow, it's so soft. So now that you've seen this living area, welcome to the dining room. Wow. Guys, this doesn't even feel like a dining room. This is a piece of art. Wow. This is literally the dining table. And over here, you have your own buffet table.
This is next level luxury. I mean, you can never go wrong with the black and gold.
I love this guy. Typical agents. Agents are the same. Anywhere around the world, you get the same thing.
This is gorgeous, guys.
Hey guys, look at this. Look at all the napkins. The napkins are so good, I would rather not use them. I would just leave them right here and use normal tissues. Guys, look at this. It's literally Versace napkins. So every time you use it, you're spending a lot of money just on cleaning up. What they say, eating from the gold spoon. So they were talking about this house, I believe.
And guys, look at this area over here. It's literally the entire wall that's been made out of cushions.
It's like a bed headboard. And they've just did the whole wall. It's freaking crazy.
This is good for the style. This is good for dampening the sounds. And then
always putting a positive spin on everything. You know, a damping sound. Yeah, in the dining room. Very much so needed.
we also have a small vanity on this side.
This one's Gucci, by the way.
This one is Gucci.
No, really, it is, guys. Look at this. You got a Gucci vanity set. Oh my god.
This place is ideal for, you know, for the buffet, having your dishes, for your food spread. And then you must be thinking where they make all the great food in this kitchen.
Wow. Oh my god. This is just
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh my god. This is... Okay, so in, you know, developing world, most parts of the world, the food has a lot of different, let's say, spices and crazy smells, and it's normal to have a closed off kitchen, but the kitchen doesn't have an island. It's really small for the scale of the house. And now look at the fridge. It's like a college dormitory refrigerator.
It's just next level, guys.
I'm more interested to see what's inside this fridge. It's a great fridge, but the sad part is that it's empty. There's no food for us.
There's none.
That's how are you gonna feed people? That's not a fridge. My house's fridge is bigger than this. This is a palace. It's like a college dormitory. I had one of these in my dorms, I swear to God.
There's none today. So this house has 9 master bedrooms and 2 of them are on this floor.
Wow.
This is the first bedroom.
All right, let's see what the first bedroom looks like, guys. So far, this house has been insane. Yo, I'm not overreacting. Like,
You are totally overreacting. Come on. Why does everyone who does home tours just feel like they need to hype it up so much? This guy's rich as hell. He's traveled all around the world and he's pretending these finishes are amazing. It's so fake, so fake.
I genuinely love this house. Oh my God. Wow.
This is not just a king bed.
What?
This is the
Look at this. I just noticed this. Is this an AC unit? The house doesn't have central air. The biggest palace in Pakistan doesn't have central air. You have individual units in each room. Crazy.
king bed.
This is the king bed, guys.
Look at this. I think it's a ceiling out here, guys. Just wait to change your shoes, maybe. Alright, guys, once you're in the first bedroom, you can see everything in this house has been made to look royal. Like, even behind the bed, there's wooden boards that go all the way to the ceiling of this room to give it that more luxurious look. I mean, just look at the bed. This is not an ordinary bed, guys. Look at the details. Wow.
This house is literally where kings live. Guys, now,
Like, really? Like, if you take your average king, he's going to be like, that's what I want. That's the bed I want.
this is not only a king bed, but this room actually has a door leading to the next room. Oh my God. It just gets better and better.
This is where you see your TV area.
Wow.
Okay, this is important because when they took that grand living room, right, the great room in the middle, that forces the layout. So you're going to get bedrooms all around it, and you got to go bedroom to bedroom to bedroom, which is horrible design. I mean, they put all their energy on the wow factor and just completely effed up the whole layout of the house. And that's what you get. It's like a TV room that is just the room. It's not part of the house. It's a department.
Oh my God. This is attached to your bedroom, guys. So your bedroom also has its own living room. Nothing like this ever. This is one of one. And this is the queen's bedroom. Every king must have a queen. So in case you get into a fight with your partner, they might leave the king's bedroom and come onto their queen's bedroom.
Notice the other AC unit for this room. It's crazy that this palace doesn't have a central air. Like, they've spent all the money building it, but you know what? We're just gonna go with individual pieces.
For the night.
Very thoughtful. Whoever made this house,
Yeah.
must have thought about everything.
All the beds, if you see, guys, all of the beds have this royal look to them. Guys, I love the fact that because it also has tons of air conditioning units around the house, which is really cool to see,
Yeah,
guys.
that's
It's
what you
not
would
only
want in your
royal
own
and
house,
majestic,
not
but it still
central
has
air.
a lot of technology. Guys, this is the master bedroom. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Welcome to the master bedroom, guys.
After all the Gucci's and Versace's, we have the Hermes for you.
Oh,
my
wow.
God,
Guys,
this
come
is
look at this
Hermes.
bed. So right now we're inside the master bedroom. This isn't a bed you're gonna see anywhere else, guys. Like this
Thank God for that. Thank God. That's the last time we're gonna see this bed.
bed is a piece of art.
Okay, so what awaits for you here is the huge, massive bathroom.
Wow. Guys, I don't normally like giving the same reactions, but this house,
What? It has a portable, like one of these showers, and then it has a regular shower. Why would you cheap it out? You were going in the right direction, okay, the normal shower. Why the hell would you put one of these showers? And just, it's bizarre how many different types of tiles they've used. They've just like stacked it up, and you get the AC unit over here as well.
Can't be described. Like, I just have to say, wow. This doesn't even look like a bathroom, guys. This looks like a hotel. This is fantastic. So let me take you outside because there's much more to see outside. Wow. And now let me get you to the garage. This place has space for so many cars. I'm sure the one who owns this house at least must be having a dozen cars.
Guys, if you love cars, look at the amount of space you have here. Like, you can park.
This is not a garage. This is a carport. It doesn't even have an enclosed garage. And where's the backyard? Where's the grass? It's just a massive carport in the back.
50 cars even. I don't know. There's just so much space.
Well, you are a car lover. It's an ideal house for you if you plan on moving to
Just
Pakistan.
Bugatti, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Rolls Royce. Guys, even better. This house has an outdoor swimming pool.
Yes. Right over there.
Oh my God.
So fake. Even better, you have an outdoor swimming pool. This is not an outdoor swimming pool. This is an indoor-outdoor swimming pool. Now, there's obvious reasons for it. This is an Islamic country. People don't put swimming pools outside because the ladies, they don't go in there because the neighbors could see them. So they've covered it up. I get it, right? But where's the freaking grass? Where's the backyard? It's just a carport. It's just a carport and an indoor-outdoor swimming pool.
So this is the swimming pool. I mean, words can't describe it, but you can see how crazy this place looks, guys. One thing I really like about this pool is, even when it gets dark, look at the amount of lights on the ceiling.
I love how Mo is putting a positive spin on it. Yeah, that's what I would want for my swimming pool too. I want my swimming pool to have a roof, so at nighttime I would turn on the light because I don't want the sun during the day.
Like, by the way, one thing I love about this place is the way they've matched the marble design, guys. Like, it just looks so perfect. Like, the black and white just...
As he says that, this piece, they ran out.
I've never seen something like it.
Yeah.
Now, guys, when you're buying a house to this
caliber, you don't just want a big house. They have spared no detail. They even have a custom fountain on the outside of this house, which just looks immaculate, guys. Look at this. Okay, guys, so now that we're back outside, you can see how much more is in this house. So right now, I'm walking along the passage, and look at the amount of art pieces that have been inside.
There's like a Roman element, bronze, as a water feature. Just...
Now, you actually have an ancient Athens statue, and you can probably see the amount of decorations in this house, guys. Like, there's no corner of this house which they've left empty. Everything has been handcrafted to perfection.
Wow, Mo. Handcrafted to perfection. Thank you. Really, thanks for the level of honesty here.
So, guys, now that we're upstairs, we have more bedrooms to go through. I guess that's the first one.
That's the first one, yes.
Wow, this is the dark bedroom.
The AC unit in the corner. And a fan.
And they've really made effort while actually curating these bedrooms. The colors, the designs, the themes are different.
Every bedroom has its own design.
Everybody has its...
It's very well curated. I would say that. I'll give that to the real. Very well curated. Every room tells a different story. Oh my God, again! Why would you do this? This is the biggest... Why would you have this portable looking, cheap looking shower next to a stand-up shower? Wouldn't you want to have a bathtub? Like, you put a bathtub, not two showers. One is like...
So downstairs you saw the Louis Vuitton bathroom. Over here, just to show you guys, this is the Burberry bathroom, guys. Okay, so now that we're upstairs in the next living room, as I said, one thing I just can't get my head around is just the amount of customization in this house. Like, and you can see it if you come close enough. Like, this is carved out of the actual concrete of the wall.
It's not carved out of concrete. That is not concrete. That's molding attached.
Now, guys, moving on.
Oh my God. This is another bedroom. And once you come in here, you just understand the levels of luxury. Now look at the roof, guys. Wow. Again, this is carved into the roof. Guys, oh my God, can you see that? So that is part of the concrete. And it goes all the way there, guys. Wow.
Wow. Okay, this is probably the best room I've seen. Wow. Oh my God. Guys, this doesn't even feel like a house anymore. Wow. There's so much detail that's gone into this house, guys. This house actually took 2 years to build because of the amount of art that went into it.
Dude, a freaking 3,000 square foot home in LA takes 2 years to build. They built to build something like this in 2 years. That's really, really fast. That's super fast. Well, I guess if you don't install central air and miss a lot of steps, maybe it's just easier. But 2 years for a house this big, it's pretty short time actually.
So when you buy a house like this, you're not buying the house, you're buying a piece of history. And I'm not trying to sell you this house, guys. I mean, it kind of speaks for itself. And now we are on to the final bedroom upstairs, guys. There's just so much happening in this house. 9 bedrooms, 100 chandeliers. I mean...
And one really good chandelier is inside this bathroom.
Oh, wow. Now that is another bathroom. Wow. Now, if the bathrooms couldn't get any better, this bathroom has a crazy chandelier and it also has a golden toilet. Okay guys, I have to say walking above this house just makes me feel royal.
So watching this living area from upstairs is definitely another perspective. It's another level of grandness from here.
Okay guys, so right now we're about to head into the cinema. Oh my god guys, this is the cinema. This doesn't even look real.
This is not just any other cinema. This is the cinema for you.
Oh my god. Okay, first of all, the cinema has a separate AC unit inside, and then there's no soundproofing, right? And then it has a fan above. It's just the most... I don't want to say it. It's the worst cinema I've ever seen.
You know what, Mo? This house is not just about money and luxury. What's written over here, it's a
This house is not about money or luxury.
Urdu word, a Persian word, ishq.
Love.
Love. Yeah. So it's not just money or luxury and the brands. They really made this house out of love.
If you enjoyed watching this video, I critique one of Enis's $47 million mansion in Newport Beach. Click on it here. It's crazy. I show all the flaws in the property, everything that Enis doesn't tell you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the comments.